old girl out here putting in work. Late nights, 1:19 in the morning, turning 276,000 miles. Man, the old Ford's getting it done. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, I am Senate Steve. We have the F450 over here, and we got the Bruce. Now, we are going to touch base onto the Bruce, what we got sitting here. However, we're not going to do that yet. Today, we are actually going to make a change to the F450 because, well, it's time. I'm kind of tired of the chrome. I'm ready for a change, and, you know, I was actually following behind it the other day. I let my buddy drive it. We were going somewhere, and I could not stand the look of the chrome driving down the highway. Now, as you do know, it does stand out. You know, the truck is big and orange and obviously black, but I can't stand this anymore. What color do you think we're gonna do down here? But as you do know, I'm getting ready to tape it all off. I'll put a little clip in. I'm not gonna do a bunch and bore you with it, but I'll put a little clip of me taping it off. Mo was over here talking and hanging out, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this painted. Drop your comment down below. What color do you think we're gonna go? Alrighty, guys, and you should have already known that we were going to do a knivesdeal.com ad right in the middle of this video. But knivesdeal.com, guys, they got this Elk Ridge, pretty cool freaking knife. Now, it's got some weight to it. It's kind of like a brass look, and it is freaking sick. So definitely check them out, knivesdeal.com. Again, for 10% off, use promo code SENTESTEVE, and it also has your little pocket clip there. Great, cool piece. It's absolutely cool. I freaking love this. It has the finger grips, so you can really, you know, poke or get whatever you got to get. So check them out, knivesdeal.com. 10% off, use promo code SENTESTEVE, all one word. Now let's finish the video. All right, now, like I said, this was not meant to be, you know, like a showstopper or anything like that. I basically just painted it because I did not like the look of the chrome there, and when I was driving down the highway behind it, it absolutely, in my eyes, looked freaking terrible with all that chrome sticking on the front. So this is just sort of a temporary thing that we did. Obviously you can tell it's kind of bad weather outside too, as it is kind of drizzling while I am doing this, or was doing it. But I think it looks a lot better. Definitely changes the look of the truck and gets rid of a lot of that chrome. Now, I'm not going to do the mirror caps or the running boards or anything like that. This is just something that I'm going to do for the front end and let it, you know, kind of dry and go from there. But I think that makes it look so much better, guys. So much better. And obviously the rest of the truck is dirty, or else it would probably blend in a lot better. But it is what it is. Let me get this all cleaned up here and get the tape off the fog lights, and then the rest of the stuff down there we're going to paint black and kind of touch up and make it look a little bit better. Like I said, on here we are going to do these black This will all get black again also. I do have black paint that I'll go ahead and spray on the intercooler and things like that, but the tow hooks and everything will go black, and then we'll be good to go. All right, let's try not to scratch anything here as we go in here and finish getting the tape off. Like I said, this was a quick job. I don't think I spent more than 10 minutes trying to get everything taped off and painted, because I just wanted it to look a little bit better, guys. The chrome was really starting to bother me. Oh, there we go. We do got a little overspray on the top of the light there, but that's not a big deal because these lights need replaced anyway. As you can tell, they are fogged out and not crystal clear anymore. But let's get the tape off the other side. That actually looks 100% better, and like I said, we are going to go ahead and make those black and everything like that. And the overspray, I don't really care about. We will address that later. But now let's get back into the Bruce project here. So basically, one of the things that I was having was the steering column issue. Now, it was basically because there's no power steering in this thing or anything yet, so it does make it with, you know, a 12.5-inch wide tire. It's got a big footprint, and trying to spin that footprint with, you know, the gearbox setup and everything like that, it's kind of a little tough. So basically, what this is here is this is actually a factory unit here. This actually goes down in here. Obviously this goes to the other side, but I'm just going to show you, like, this would go in here in the rubber like so. Give me a second. Alrighty, so basically it goes on very similar to this here. All right, as you can tell, that is basically how it goes on here, and then this shaft will come in here like so and bolt through. Now the problem I'm having is because this here is just rubber, it's actually pulling out here whenever it binds up and just separating. So the solution that I believe is going to be the problem, or the solution to the problem that I believe is going to work, is if I go ahead and get a washer like this and go ahead and notch it for all 4 of these posts, bolt this in the center, it should be able to go through that and it will hold the joint in place. So let me go ahead and get this washer cut to where I would like it, and we should be good to go. So give me a minute here to get this all cut up into how I'd like it, and I'll get back with you. All right, well, I got the plate where I want it to be. However, I cannot find my cutoff wheel. So we're gonna try this here first. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 bigger washers on to kind of take up some space and be able to kind of smush the rubber together more. So let me get this bolted up here, and hopefully this will hold the steering shaft together and make it kind of easy. Well, this does appear as if it might work. So far so good, I guess. Like I said, once it has power steering, it'll actually be a lot easier to turn everything, but basically right now it's just sitting on the weight of the frame and the body. So who knows? Well, time will tell. As you can tell, brake lines are being made. Stay tuned. All right, basically back here we're gonna wait and get a drop bracket made. We have the line and everything ran to the front, and I also have to go ahead and make a line over here to the wheel cylinder, which isn't a big deal. I was waiting to replace this line and hose anyway, so we're making pretty good progress on the brake. All right, well, now it's time to go ahead and get the brake hoses where they need to go. As you did know, I went and bought new brake hoses. This is the old one, so we got to get it off the frame, and then if you see right there, it's going to tee across, come over, and they're going to meet up over here. So let me go ahead and get these out of the location, get the new ones bolted where I want them to be, and we're going to go ahead and make a brake line from that side over to here. Actually, we'll probably go from this side to that side since their factory location for the Honda is on that side, so we'll probably just make a drop bracket down over there. All right, well, I have the new lines in place here. Now I am going to make a drop bracket in that. I did call down, and they do have a drop bracket kit for this. So we'll be able to drop that down and it'll actually have some play, some flexibility, and we'll be good to go. Same as on the other side. I went ahead and ran the line. I went ahead and ran the line up through the frame here, goes down across the front over here, and then we are going to tee in here, and then these lines that come off are going to just drop straight down here. So there you have it, guys. We are making good progress on the Bruce project here, and I hope you guys are excited. So the next video you see will be us installing the engine. I hope you guys are excited, and he is coming along tremendously. So if you guys like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next upload.